Alrighty, what is going on? Welcome. It is Monday, a new week. We've got 9:45 news that I probably will wait for. We'll see what happens. The challenge I'm on, 51,350. Here's the graph and the XFA I'm on. We let it load. Load. There we go. There is the graph. Currently minus $39. So we've had those two winning days. That's how it looks. Focus will be on this, I think, going forward now, because we are in the back end of the year. So focus will just be trying to achieve more funding. And this is how I'm looking at market open. So Friday put in a big SMT right here. And actually held this that's the new week already, yeah. Held this 4-hour imbalance on Friday. We've had moves up off of that again. And during pre-market, NQ has taken the previous all-time high, ES hasn't, so there's a current bearish SMT going on right here. For me, I think for me to trade, I'd want to see legs down and then rejection off this to then just trade back to all-time high again, or a strong displacement, 15-minute change in the state, and then go from there. For me to be bearish, taking the model as something like this. On the weekly, we have created a weekly fair value gap once that week closed. So that could be a draw for price going into the week, expecting a pullback. But price is really bullish at the minute on NQ. Lots of momentum, taking new highs. ES not taking any of the highs and taking the lows. So a lot of difference right now. So I'm not really a fan of price action going into today. I will be looking just to stay reserved, stay patient, and until I see something that I like and I want to take. There is sell side in this 1-hour imbalance right here, which we could take longs from. That's really it, to be honest. There's not a lot else to go off of. There's current bearish SMT in place. But ES looks bearish, NQ looks very bullish. I don't like it. I'm not a fan. ES looks bearish. This 4 hours still holding on ES, quite strong. We are yet to close out of this 4 hour yet, so this could still hold bearish and we see a sell-off. Meanwhile, NQ is just taking the highs and continuing to run. So I'm really unsure as to how to trade today. So I will be trading lightly. We are generating lows, which could be a Monday sell-off. You never know. You never know. So I'm looking just to tread lightly. That is how I'm looking at market open. Very loose, bullish bias on NQ. ES looks a lot more bearish, which is why I have a very loose bias. I'm open. I'm subject to change, subject to see how market opens. That makes no sense. I need to see more structure, pretty much. I need to wait for more structure before I can formulate a proper strong bias. So, peace. Every Monday, I do the exact same thing. Every single Monday, I just completely force a trade, completely rush a trade, and it sets me back for the rest of the week. Tell me why on Thursday and Friday of last week, I fumble the perfect trade, off this inverse fair value gap, whatever you want to call it. I've fumbled the perfect trade right here. Don't take it on anything on Thursday. And Friday, I don't take the perfect trade on the XFA. But today, I take this on both with considerable size. I'm down 168 on the XFA, back at minus $208 now. and I'm on the combine back to below a K in profit. Why do I decide to risk 0.87%? Why do I decide to risk 0.337% on the XFA? The most I've risked since the 8th of November on this trade where there's no confluence, there's not even a change in the state of delivery. There's not even a change in the state of delivery. We don't even inverse the imbalance. And I took the trade and I didn't take it off. I should have took it off because we didn't even inverse the imbalance. I should have took it off because there wasn't even changing the state. This was down here until the last second. I was like, you know what, bang, I'm getting in right there. I never do that anyway. I always want the pullback. Let's recap. Market opens, takes out all-time high again after taking out all-time high here. There is an SMT from there. You know, ES hasn't taken it. There's an SMT. I want to see the internal high taken. The internal high is taken. There's no internal model here. We get a quick move up, then we quickly move down. And I thought we inversed. I was like, we're changing the state. We're going down now. We're targeting this sell side in this 1 hour imbalance. That doesn't happen. News comes out, does nothing, and price is just chopping. Like, what is this? Why am I taking a trade in this? Why am I risking so much on this? And I'm sick of it. I'm absolutely sick. I'm so aware of it. I'm so aware that every Monday I'll come in and do the same thing and rush the trade. And there was not even a trade to take here. There was not even 1 minute confluences. It's not like I'm even too zoomed in because there's not even the 1 minute trade. Bigger time frame, this 15-minute imbalance is still holding. I said in the pre-market recap, I want to see this get run through maybe, and then a 15-minute change in the state for me to want to short. There's no reason to short this. There's absolutely no reason. I saw this 3-minute imbalance, and this candle was giving us a 1 minute change in the state, and I was like, bet, get me in. What am I doing? Why am I doing that? I'm so aware of it. I'm so aware it's such a bad habit, and I keep doing it every Monday, and it sets me back every week. Yes, last week I took that stupid loss to begin with every Monday. This one, what was that loss? It's the same thing over and over and over again. It's the completely same thing, but I'll never take Mondays off because if I take Mondays off, the same thing will happen on Tuesday. I'll come in after the weekend and I'll come in after Monday and I'll just force something. I'm just sick of it. Sick of it. And something needs to change because this cannot keep happening. Mondays cannot keep setting me back forever. Because it's not gonna work, obviously. It's never gonna work out. You can't just keep doing the same mistake over and over and over again, expecting a different outcome. That is a definition of crazy. Doing the same thing over and over and over again and expecting a different outcome each time. It's just, that is the definition of crazy. Didn't even inverse the imbalance and I took a short. Price did not tell me to short here at all. And I took it because I'm greedy, because I want the money. I'm forcing it. I want everything to happen quickly. I'm not submitting to the process. I'm not being aware. I am aware that I do the same thing every Monday. Once I've done it. In the moment, before I've done it, I'm aware. Once I've done it, I'm aware. In the moment, I am not aware. I said in the pre-market video, I want to be patient. I want to just wait. I have no reason to trade. I don't even like what the market's doing anyway. I'm actually, oh my God, why do I do this to myself? Again, there's not even an internal model, but we had 1, 2, 3, 4 minutes of fast moving candles, and I get into a trade. What am I doing? Maybe 2025 isn't going to be my year if I keep doing this. Like, genuinely, what is wrong with me? Anyway, trade recap. NQ opens up, takes out the internal high after taking the external high. Not even a 1 minute inverse, not even a 1 minute change in state. And I take a short, wanting to see these lows be taken when price has no reason to go there, and price has every reason to continue higher. ES, it was a cleaner move through the imbalance. Did we even inverse it? Yeah, we did there. News was a nice rejection on ES, and then the SMT get ran through. I just don't know, folks. I'm going insane again because I know exactly what I need to look for. I know exactly what I need to see for me to want to take a trade. And Mondays, I just don't care. Mondays, I have no discipline. Mondays, I don't care. I just want to go in. It's like my first day trading again. It's like I come back after the weekend and I have no clue what anything is again. And I'm just pressing buttons. Like, who knows? Anyway, that's trade recap. There was no confidence behind this trade. There was no reason to take it at all. And that is me done for the day. So, peace out.